I'm gonna show you how to make this super gorgeous set. Okay, so first we're using Beetles gel polish. You are gonna need a curing lamp for these, but I really do like Beetles, to be honest. I'm using my McCart rhinestone glue. Now, okay, so how do you say it? Is it Mige? It's 3D sculpting gel. And these little iridescent rhinestones that you see right here, I got most of this stuff on Amazon. I'm going to be starting an Amazon storefront soon, so I'm going to announce that when I've gotten that taken care of. These rhinestones at the bottom, I actually got in my nail kit from school, so I'm not really sure where you would find these, to be honest, but they're super beautiful. Very sparkly. I love them. And you honestly could use any buffer or even a nail file. I got it at a local nail supply shop. So now, okay, so these were actually plastic goodie bags that I got from the dollar store, like probably over a year ago, and I thought they were so pretty, so I just saved them to apply them, when I'm doing my nails and stuff. So maybe go on Amazon and look up translucent iridescent goodie bags, maybe. Okay, so tell me why I'm using my blender to prop up my phone. It's because I don't have a phone stand. I need to get one of those. Anyways, so first I'm gonna be buffing the nail just lightly. It's really not a very coarse buffer. I just want to, I want the gel polish to adhere better. Okay, so I actually am not really going to be using that polish right there. I'm only going to be using like this I wouldn't say lavender, but it's like a light purple with a pink shimmer to it. And then the blue color has like a hot pink shimmer to it. So I'm kind of just going to alternate between these two randomly in this set. I like both of them, so I'm just gonna wing it, really. I think I'm gonna do purple on my thumb. So yeah. Also, I got this little $10 lamp on Amazon as well. Forgive the busted looking table, okay? So sorry. Anyways, okay. So first I'm gonna start off by just cutting this, the plastic into like triangular shapes. I don't want to, you don't want to cut them too wide, because they tend to they're flat, and so if I'm putting them on the nail, the curve of the nail is basically, they lift. So if you're cutting them into smaller pieces, they can they're placed a little bit easier. And so I'm gonna cut like about maybe 25 little pieces, and I'm gonna use the gel polish kind of like an adhesive. I'm gonna be putting them on the gel polish before I cure, so that'll be fun. Okay, now I'm gonna really just apply the polish towards the tips, because I don't know why I glided it across the nail like that. It looks so awkward. But yeah, I'm just applying it to the tips because really I want to do like an ombre kind of effect. If I was working on a client, I don't think I wouldn't be using my finger to blend it out, but I'd probably use like a little sponge or something. Yeah. But anyways, so what I'm going to do is I should have actually used a rhinestone applicator to pick up the little pieces, but I'm just gonna, for some reason, use my finger to do this part. But yeah, you kind of want to be a little careful how you're picking them up, because as you can see, it's triangular shaped, and I want that pointy side. Basically, I want you know, it to line up with the shape of the nail, if that makes sense. Because I have stiletto shape, which is kind of triangular to begin with. I'm basically just lining it up, and I want the tips to kind of have that iridescent holographic type of look. So yeah, I'm just trying to place them carefully, as carefully as possible, because I really don't want to get the polish on top of the I mean, I guess I could call it confetti, I don't know, but I don't want it to get on top of those iridescent pieces, is what I'm trying to say. So I'm just placing them and kind of pushing them into the gel polish. So it's a little bit out of focus, but it'll come back into focus right now. Yeah, and I want to make sure that they're, you know, it's covering the tip of the nail, just kind of like all over, but then even like spaces between them though. I don't know, I'm kind of particular. But anyway, so yeah, I'm about to place that last little piece right there, carefully pushing it in, and then I'm gonna cure after this. I don't think I recorded that part, but anyways, so I have a few different rhinestone options. Those are the ones that I showed you earlier. But then I also have these little cute heart-shaped charms. Like, I'm not sure which one I want to do. And then I have these little teddy bear ones right here. I actually got those at a local nail supply. And the stars also I got at a local nail supply. So I'm not sure where you could find those, but yeah. So I'm going to place, of course, the rhinestone glue in the direction that the charm is going to be laying. And this ended up being too much rhinestone glue. So yeah, but basically I'm going to grab the little teddy bear and I'm going to just carefully place him right on top, and then make sure that it's not crooked, right? And then gently place down, because if you press too hard it might slip and then you're gonna get rhinestone glue everywhere. But as you can see, a lot of the glue kind of got pushed out under, like around, you know, I put too much glue. So and I don't, all of my liner brushes I think are at school, so I'm just gonna use this little tool to kind of scrape off the extra glue, at least, you know, as carefully as possible. And tell me why I was wiping it on my shirt. My gosh. Anyways, don't be like me, okay? But anyway, so I finished that, okay? And I believe, okay, yeah, I'm about to cure. Gonna cure that really quick. And then basically, you know, I already placed the rhinestones. I got my, you know, my rhinestone glue, and I didn't show you, but I have my my rhinestone applicator. And, you know, basically, normally what I would do is put the top coat before I do the rhinestones, but I noticed that with these particular rhinestones, they like to pop off, and so my instructor was basically saying to put the top coat after you put the rhinestones on, making sure to go around the rhinestones. Look at how sparkly. Ooh. Yeah, so when you're applying rhinestones, do not put top coat on top of the rhinestone. Go around the rhinestone, okay? Yeah, so that's how she is looking. Oh my god, so pretty. Honestly, I'm really happy with this set. It just came out really nice. So, but I do have my whole hand. So yeah, but anyway, so I did 2 more nails, right? On the index finger right here, I did a, you know, a star shaped 3D sculpting gel. Basically, I shaped a little star, and I used, I think I'm showing you the wrong polish right here. Yeah, that's the wrong polish. That's not the one that I used to paint the star, but yeah, it had that pretty pink like shimmer to it. And then of course that one had the blue polish with the rhinestone. So I don't know, if you're looking carefully, you can see how I alternated between the purple and the blue polish. But anyway, so beautiful. Ew. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Honestly, my phone really doesn't pick up the glory of the sparkle, of the glimmer. Like, it's just really, really beautiful. So follow if you're watching on Instagram or TikTok, and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. I will see y'all very soon, and I'll have more tutorials. Bye. Thank you.